Hi guys, Kashi here. Welcome to K2M Unboxing and Reviews. Today I'm going to show you the product Mophie Powerstation USB-C 3XL. This is the very powerful power bank, 26,000 milliamp power it has. It has three input ports. One is, if you can see, USB-C, USB-A, and a lightning port. So there it has, like, if I show you on the back, these are the three ports it has. It says that it has 18 hours of battery life, USB-C power delivery PD compatible. So if you see here, they're saying with MacBook you can power for 18 plus hours, and with iPad 17 plus hours, and with iPhone X 85 hours for power it will give you. Some of the things that they have mentioned here. Let's open it and see how it goes. There. So I am going to open it. Here is the tab. You pull the tab out. Alright guys. Then this is another tab. You pull it out. Oh, it's pretty heavy. It's heavy. Before we review that, let's see first what is inside. So here we got a booklet, USB Powerstation USB-C 3XL quick start guide that they have, and then there are two cables. So I'm going to keep the see what cables are there. The first cable, USB-A to USB-C. This cable, so you charge any device, it has USB-C input. USB-C to USB-C that can be used to charge the power station or also charge any device. Now let's see, where do they go. USB-A will go right here. I can have like that, and I can charge any USB-C device or USB-C cable that I can use in the USB-C port that deliver 45 watts. So if your MacBook or your laptop takes 45 watt as an input, you can actually then use this cable and do that. This is for input, also for the output that can be used. But if, for example, MacBook Pro 13-inch can take 45 watt, you can use this. But MacBook Pro 15-inch 2016 and onward, they take 87 watt for 45 for the 15-inch laptop. Then that is not sufficient enough power. Now let's see the front. Pretty good texture. It says Mophie. There's a button here that shows how much charge it is. If I press this, it's only one light that comes. So the 4 minutes fully charged. On the side, you see all three ports here. This one is the lightning port, power delivery port. It means that to fast charging, USB-A. This is USB-C. The back, the texture feels good. Here is just the serial number and all those. It's pretty heavy, so I don't know if you can just carry this with you. It's good for the travel. You put in your laptop bag and just keep it there. Keep this cable and charge. Now they say, let's keep the box also on the side and see. They are saying it can do 18 hours of MacBook, but I don't think I can charge my 15-inch MacBook with this because it only delivers 45 watt power. For 15-inch MacBook, I need 87 watt. So that might not work for that. But MacBook 13-inch, that takes 45 watts, so I can probably charge that one. iPad, definitely I can charge the iPad. New iPad that you have, iPad, the 12-inch one, another, they take USB charging port. You can use that, or you can use any other cable that has the USB and the lightning connector. You can use your charge phones and all those. So this is a good carry one. One thing I did not like is now to charge this, I need a wall adapter. Now I need to know how much power it will take for the wall adapter, and this is very hard to read. It says as long as, let me see in the light, 3.3 volt. 2 amp power, so probably it will work with any wall adapter. But I wish if Mophie would have included, if a $200 device, power adapter, wall charger, that you can just use with this instead of paying. I think their site has for 25 bucks. So it should just come as a bundle personally, right? So you don't have to worry about another thing. You can just use this cable with the Mophie cable and do that. So make sure you probably get the charger. That is, if you travel, get an international wallet adapter that you can carry with you. Second thing is, I didn't like that it is a very good, it has a lot of power, 26,000 milliamp power. But the thing is, I wish it could have delivered more than 45 watt, which it does not. But they do have another one. They do have another product, which is Powerstation with the AC. I believe that deliver up to 100 watts. So I'm gonna try and get that one also, and probably use that one to do this. Otherwise, I like Mophie. Love their brand. They're pretty good with all the power batteries, backup, and all those I've used in the past. This is not a very lightweight to carry with you, but it's a good product. Please send your comments what you think about it. If you want to purchase it, you want to carry this is a very powerful power bank you have. Like our videos, give us a thumbs up, click on the bell icon, and watch other videos by the kids. They do a lot of tech unboxing and toys unboxing. See you next time. Bye bye.